Hi everyone, I'm KCTV5 meteorologist Brett Anthony with another edition of our KCTV5 weather experiments for you while you're learning at home. We've talked about air pressure this week. We've talked about the differences between cold air and warm air. Well, today let's revisit tornadoes. And to help us revisit the tornado subject, we're going to use this Vortex Cannon. This will create an area of low pressure, or a vortex, which is what tornadoes need to become a tornado. Remember, tornado is a violently spinning column of air wrapped around an area of low pressure that's attached to a parent thunderstorm. So what we've done is taken a trash can, cut out the bottom with that hole. We've attached a shower curtain to the top, and then a bungee cord around that. So here's the principle. See that opening at the bottom? When I push on the shower curtain, it's going to push the molecules out through that opening, and they are going to be moving very rapidly. Because they're moving very rapidly, it's going to create an area of low pressure. The air outside of it will be moving slower and becomes an area of high pressure. So the air is going to try to push out. The low pressure area is going to try to push out. The high pressure is pushing in, so the ring will stay intact until the low pressure equals the high pressure, and you get equal forces or equal pressures. So watch. Here you go. How about that? Can you see it? See how it stays in that nice circular motion again? That's called a vortex. And this is a vortex cannon. And the low pressure on the inside created because the air is moving faster outside of the opening at the bottom of the trash can. And then the air around is moving slower. And because that high pressure is pushing in and the low pressure is pushing out, the ring can stay together, much like a tornado, until it meets up with a frictional force or the pressures start to equalize. In a tornado's instance, it might be a change in the air pressure. It could be a change in the moisture in the storm, but something will change. The tornado will eventually fall apart. But again, tornadoes associated with low pressure, intense spinning area of low pressure attached to a parent thunderstorm. If you have any questions about this experiment or any other experiments you've seen, please just post them here on our Facebook page, or you can always email me at brett.anthony@kctv5.com. We'll start another series of experiments next week. Have a great weekend, everyone.